gate giving you grief? Discover hassle-free repair and installation solutions. A malfunctioning gate can be a real pain, disrupt your security, slow your day, and even be a safety hazard. But don't worry, Evergreen Electric Gates is here to help. We provide hassle-free repair and installation solutions for all your electric gate needs. Common electric gate problems. Electric gates are complex systems, and several issues can arise. Here are some common problems we can address. Motor malfunctions. Motors can wear down over time and lose their ability to function correctly. Sensor issues. Faulty sensors can prevent the gate from opening or closing correctly. Damaged control panels. Power surges or malfunctions can damage the control panel, disrupting the system. Broken hinges or rollers. Constant use can lead to wear and tear on the physical components of the gate. Misalignment. Misalignment can cause the gate to bind or scrape, leading to further damage. Our hassle-free approach. We understand that dealing with a broken gate can be stressful at Evergreen Electric Gates. That's why we offer a hassle-free approach to repairs and installations. Fast response times. We know a malfunctioning gate is an inconvenience. We prioritize prompt service calls to diagnose the problem quickly. Expert technicians. Our highly skilled and experienced team can fix a wide range of gate problems. Transparent quotes. We'll provide a clear and upfront quote before any work begins. No hidden fees or surprises. High quality parts. We use only the best quality parts to ensure a long-lasting repair. Warranty on repairs. We stand behind our work and offer a warranty on all repairs. Considering a new gate installation? If your old gate is beyond repair or you're looking for an upgrade, we can help. Evergreen Electric Gates offers a wide variety of electric gate options, each designed to suit different needs and budgets. We'll guide you through the selection process, ensuring you get the perfect gate for your property, tailored to your specific requirements. Contact us today and experience our hassle-free gate repair and installation approach. Visit our website,